Are you coming along with BBT Adventures in 2026? Last week, we launched our official countdown to our first expedition into Botswana. Have a listen to Andre in the next clip so that you can also join us on our adventures in 2026. We've got some exciting tours planned and we can't wait to share the details with you. If you want to join us, let us know in the comments or reach out to us via all of our social media channels or our website.
Yes, we are quite excited to go to Zimbabwe, visiting the Mana pools, and just camping alongside the Zambezi River. Different environment, also remote, but that's the highlight, I presume. And then we've got 3 trips going to Botswana, visit the diverse areas, as I said, Kalahari, Remi, Sabuti, Chobe, and as well as the Okavango Delta. And then lastly, we are going to do 2 tours to the Eastern Cape. One is our famous from the highest mountain to the closest pub, small on the Wild Coast, and then definitely a few passes in the Eastern Cape, inclusive of the Bavianspoort.